Shalom, shalom. This is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. And we reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with it. And we reserve the right to criticize under fair use under the FBI. You know what I mean? Allow citizens to reproduce. Okay? Because I just tried to upload. I went hard on a video a few minutes ago. They wouldn't let me upload it, so this is my second one. But this video is entitled BabyMoma Validation Addicts. BabyMoma Validation Addicts. And what I mean by that, you got channels on YouTube that's so-called helping guys with their child support, but not letting them, not helping them to get off of child support, because we are the only channel that has more people off of child support than any other channel. I guarantee you that, and we're gonna come with these testimonies and we're gonna show you. But you also got this one in particular channel that did a video saying that she didn't know what she was doing when she was signing the goddamn child support the application. Fellas, you finna love this. Look, subscribe, share, and like. Hit us up. You ready to sue the bitch? And we finna show you that a woman don't have love like you do for her. Because when she leaves her dad, she's going to seek out more love from another man, because the first man she had, she loved and obeyed. Now it's her turn to love and obey you now. Now, let's get to it, baby. Now, I want y'all to look up this case. Okay? This case gonna show you, can you trust a biatch? Alright? A woman's word means nothing. Her actions means everything. Remember that. A woman's word means nothing, but her actions means everything. Now, we're finna go on the book. We're gonna have some education today. We're going to go, where's my book? Okay. Obligation. Y'all want to see what obligation means? Obligation. Obliged. Obligated. Look at that. See, responsibility. Answer. Liable. Bound. Articled. Accountable. Obligation. Any duty imposed by law, contract, morals. Look at law, contract, and morals. You see that? Bitches ain't got morals when it comes to money, getting money out of you. She may tell you she loves you, but when material things come into play, that love means nothing. You can't take that love to the bank and cash it. You can't take love and pay your car notes or your rent, fellas. Social relations. And then you got these dumbass niggas talking about they debt notes, but they stupid dumbass is still going to motherfucking work. Stop working there, nigga, if they debt notes. Stop paying your rent if they debt notes. If not, shut your stupid ass up. To refrain from deception, advertising, responsibility, necessity, indebtedness, trust. You can't trust a bitch. Right? You can't trust a bitch's word. Don't judge on her words, judge on her fucking actions. See, also, oneness, requirement, liability, compulsion, complaint, enforcement, burden, charge, cloud, duty. It ain't the beauty of the bitch, it's the duty of the bitch. Constraint, allegiance, arrearages. You see that? Under obligation, arrearages. So they want you to be obligated to pay for her arrearages because she went down there and put you up. You finna see at the bottom a formal binding agreement or acknowledgement of a liability to pay a certain sum or to do a specific thing. Interest, paid an obligation, arrangement, compact, pledge, stipulation, assurance, security, surety. There it is. She placed you up for surety, avowal, oath, and she did it by oath, right? Also debit, debt, guarantee. They guaranteed that you was the warranty. and that you was a commitment, a signing, and signed your ass that shit. She made a covenant with these people and bonded you to these people, and she agreed that you was on the contract that you was gonna pay the provision and the promise and the proviso, and they held your ass accountable. Now, with this case, I want y'all to go look up Straub versus BMT by Todd. Alright? We're going to show you. We're going to read what this case is. On December the 15th, 1986, Errol Straub, 58, agreed to have intercourse with Francine Todd, 33, so as long as she signed an agreement that would hold Straub harmless for emotional and financial support of a child which might result from her sexual relationship. After Todd signed a handwritten note that Straub felt satisfied in his conditions, the couple began engaging in unprotected sexual intercourse, which resulted in the birth of a daughter on November 27, 1987. Now, let me come from my book, because I'm going to show you how the internet ain't going to give you everything. Alright? Now, this is the contract that she signed. To whom it may concern, I, Todd Francine, in sound mind and for Balt, have decided not to marry, but would like to have a baby of my own to support financially and emotionally. I have approached several men who will not be held responsible financially or emotionally, whose names will be kept secret for life. That's what she did. This what she did. Okay, we're going to read from the book. The facts most favorable to the judgment reveal that in 1986, right? That's what it said on the computer screen, right? Francine Todd, Edward Straub engaged in a romantic relationship. They didn't say romantic relationship. They said another relationship, right? And sexual relations. In December of that year, Todd informed Straub of her desire to have a child. Straub was divorced with 5 children from a previous marriage, and he expressed resistance to fathering another child. Todd threatened to end the relationship, however, unless he agreed to impregnate her. Straub handwrote the following statement and told Todd he would attempt to impregnate her if she signed it. You see that? So who is Straub? Huh? The dude, right? He wrote the contract, right? If she signed it. And she signed it. Signed. You see that shit? Look at that. Todd signed the statement, and the couple thereafter began having unprotected intercourse. Todd became pregnant in March 1987 and gave... Hold up. Let me move my camera back. We're going to get on the internet too and jump on this case. Birth. That November, the birth certificate did not list anyone as the father. On January 7th, 1991, Todd filed a petition asking the trial court to declare Straub the father of the child and require him to pay child support and certain medical expenses. The trial court found Straub to be the father of the child and ordered him to pay support in the sum of $130 per week, arrearages of $20 a week, and certain medical expenses. Now, didn't this bitch say she just want to have a baby she can support on her own? Huh? Did she say that? Let's keep reading. This what she did. This how she. This what the computer says. Now look what the computer say. After 3 years, BMT, without any support from Straub, on January 7, 1991, filed a suit as BMT's best friend. It didn't say that in his book, now did it? Huh? To establish paternity to obtain child support and medical expenses. The reason why she got this guy on child support, and this is not legal advice, is because your boy Straub didn't know about the proceedings of paternity. He had signed that shit, and that's what knocked that agreement out. When we gonna keep reading. Right? Straub now claims that the trial court committed reversal error by holding the agreement was void as a matter of public policy, and the agreement should serve to indemnify him against the support claim brought. Now, check this out. Y'all, we're going to get to the facts, and we're going to come to the facts of this book, too. Let me find it. Now, this is the beginning of the case, right? Francine Todd wanted to have a child, but she did not want to be married. She and Edward Schwab signed an agreement providing that Edward Schwab will not be responsible for supporting any child the two might procreate. BMT was born in the wake of this agreement. When Schwab offered his agreement as a defense to a claim for child support, the trial court held it void. When the validity of that agreement was before the Indiana Court of Appeals, it provoked a debate about the public policy surrounding a parent's child support obligation. We conclude that the agreement was void. Y'all see that? Huh? Now think about when the bitch signs that child support application, and you got a fool on YouTube talking about, hey, it ain't the mom, go out to the agent, she didn't know. He's stupid. That's a stupid, retarded nigga. Fellas, it's these bitches. It's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. Remember that. Oh, I got some more cases make niggas look stupid on YouTube, my nigga. See, you don't fuck with Moors because we do more, motherfucker. We don't do less. Okay, these other niggas do less. You see this shit? Let me go to 6. I had to prepare this fucking video. Let me go to paragraph 6. Y'all make sure y'all go read this shit. This in the state of Indiana. A bitch's word means nothing, my nigga. Look what this judge said. I concur. In the result recent Judge Miller's opinion, in the state there exists no statutory protection against a paternity action for a man who donates his sperm for purposes of insemination, whether the donation be made through a sperm bank, physician, or directly to the ultimate recipient. The trial court correctly established paternity. Fellas, I told you your cum is holy. You ain't supposed to be spreading your cum to these nasty these dirty bitches, man. Y'all ain't learned from the last video we just put up yesterday? A woman has no market value, so that's why she's valuing your cum. Your penis is the value. You are the prize, not her. The help cannot be the prize. Only reason what makes the help the prize when the prize come bring you some more prizes. Okay? Some money. Now, why ain't nobody else talk about this fucking case? You want to know why? Because these motherfuckers don't know playing smart on YouTube. You got motherfuckers talking about they claiming helping people, ain't doing shit but putting people back in the motherfucking system. And we telling you it's the hoe. It's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. The whole fucking time, man. If this dude wouldn't have signed this paternity shit, that motherfucking contract was valid. But she played off his stupidity. He didn't know, even though he was a motherfucking teacher. He was supposed to know, because ignorance of the law excuses no one. So that's why they hold stupid ass niggas accountable for you not checking your bitch, what I put up on the video yesterday, and then you want to go blame the agency when it's the bitch the whole fucking time. Get off the fucking gas, man. Bitches do make mistakes, okay? You look at that. The trial court retains jurisdiction for a determination of Todd's ability to provide support based on the Indiana child support guidelines. Not child support law, nigga. Child support guideline. Man. Check out it. I believe, however, the contract should be treated as an assumption by Todd as Schwab's obligation of support. Assumption should be treated. What we just said about obligation. Todd agreed to hold Schwab harmless for his support obligation to his daughter. Schwab's support obligation to BMT cannot be enforced against him unless Todd herself is without the means to pay that obligation. She does not have no market value because she can't even take care of that child, but she wants you to fuck her and give her that donation, nigga. Let me come out this book, because this book gonna tell a tale. Bitch signed this shit. Ain't that some cold shit? The bitch signed this shit. Hold on, we gonna see what D Brewer on here. Wait a minute. Now check this out. The facts here are simple and without conflict. Todd, an unmarried adult female teacher, wanted to have a child but did not want to remarry to accomplish that end because she didn't want to be told what to do. So, in essence, she wanted to have a pimp. She wanted to pimp out this child for a check. When she was medically advised artificial insemination would not work, would not work in her case, she asked her current lover, Straub, a 56-year-old adult male teacher, nigga, to cease using condoms during intercourse and impregnate her. Straub already had raised 5 children. You see that shit? That's crazy. Look, that's what he fucked up at. Schwab told Todd he would accommodate her if he could be free from obligation to support the child to be, and his name as the inseminator would remain a secret. Agreeing, Todd, an employed teacher fully capable of supporting the child, signed a written agreement to that effect that Schwab had prepared. In the normal course of things, thereafter Todd became pregnant. You see that shit? They both was teachers. Look at that. 3 years after the child was born, Todd changed her mind, filed a paternity action against Schwab, and was successful. The trial court ordered him as the father to pay support per rules for determining child support. Not laws, nigga. Rules, nigga. Whoever make the rules can change the rules. Damn fools. Hey, man. Look, let me see something. Hold on. Let me see, is that down there? Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay. Just still a lot on me giving the whole thing. You got idiots See, I put it up because these dumbass niggas don't know what the fuck they be talking about. Now check this out. That's what the judge said. I agree with the majority that one cannot contract away the right of a child to financial support from one of her parents. One cannot contract away one's liability for negligence either, but we do permit people to buy insurance. If an individual's insurance coverage is inadequate, then that person must pay. However, we do not void insurance contracts by invoking a public policy of imposing liability for negligence. And Donald Trump says child support is children's insurance. He told you ignorant ass niggas that. You don't, oh fuck Trump, he racist. Now, he racist against dumb motherfuckers who don't handle their goddamn business. The proper procedure to make certain that BMT receives adequate support is that suggested by the Judge Chisholm's opinion in the Court of Appeals. If a person promises to pay the father's share of child support, then if that person is able, he or she should pay. Hey, hit us up. Peace.